here, I realized I forgot to do a tool review a couple weeks ago. Actually, it was more than a couple weeks ago. It's been a while. I picked up this tool, and I'll show you. It came in a nice little brown box, all the way from Chin Chin, right over there. And I'll show you what it is. I'm not going to try it anytime soon, but I've been dying to find one. So here, I'll show you. This is a hand, what's this called again? Chamfering tool. I got paid like 30 bucks for it. I would try it out right now, but I didn't put anything on it. It came in a little box. Came with 2 Allen keys and O-ring and this, the nipple for it. A set of instructions that I can't seem to get out of here. Basically oil it, and at least it gives you a schematic of how to take it apart. I'll probably keep this because I'm pretty sure nobody will ever sell me parts for it. And I'm pretty sure there's no parts available for it. Pneumatic chamfering machine. It's a machine. A machine. So we got this. What I love about tools is every single tool you buy, including furniture, comes with an Allen key. So I have a drawer of every single Allen key I've ever gotten with every single tool. Most of them all suck, but hey. Now let's see. Where does this go? In here, I guess, maybe? O-ring? Wait, where do we put the O-ring? Where's the O-ring go? Oh, not even, I'm guessing it goes in there, right? Let me just put it in there. I'll see if it's wrong, it's wrong. We'll just give it that the smack down very gently. And we'll just put this on here. Comes with that. I'm not gonna light it up here, but it has an adjustable. I'll readjust this thing. I guess you turn the table in. Hold on. Turn it this way. How the hell do you adjust this thing? Oh, well, let's see. Oh, okay, there's a, I don't know. Is that, you loosen this? There's no instructions. Does that go on there, maybe? I don't know what I'm doing. Let me tighten this up and see what it does. There's 2 peanut screws in there. This goes. It's okay. Maybe it is. So there's a peanut screw. Oh, let's try this one first. There's one right here, and there's one right there, and there's one right there. So, do I have a clue what the hell I'm doing? No. It's pretty cool though. It's got a. It's almost like a tap for beer. Anyway, let's see now. If I unscrew, okay, it's got a red line there, so I'm assuming that's maybe that one. Okay, yeah. So that, what the hell does it do? Because that moves, but what the hell? Does it go up and down? Nope, that doesn't move. Goes up and down. Okay, that must hold that piece in place, so you know how high it goes. So now that we didn't figure that out and we're not sure, we're gonna try going like this. We'll do this one. If you want to know how good this works, there's about 25 websites, not websites. There's about 20 people on YouTube that own one of these things. Okay, this is. Okay, let me see now. What is that? This is stupid. This is really stupid. So if we loosen this one up, we can lower it some more, maybe. So if I screw that one up there, I can lower it that way. And then if I go this way goes, now we can see this. This goes up and away. And this goes down the notch. So, is it a round chamfer? I don't know. I don't know why this thing would spin, but I don't know. It's pretty weird. So I'll tighten this up again. So that one, this move, so yeah, see that goes, that right here stays in place and it moves around. So that is basically the height. I'm assuming I can take this thing right off. Okay, there's that. Oh, it takes little, what do you call it? What the hell they called again? Carbide bits. So it's got a little carbide, takes 2 carbide bits. That's pretty cool. I'm guessing I could make a round chamfer or just a, I don't know. Don't know. So it's pretty simple. I guess it takes just 2 carbide bits. You adjust it at the height you want, like so, and then you take this and lock it in place. I will do a slightly better review on it as soon as I get it ready, tighty, lefty, loosey. Tighten that one up. Tighten that one up. Top has a Phillips screwdriver. So you need a Phillips to take the roly-poly thing out. I mean, in all fairness, it's got a nice finish. It's got like, it almost has that that feel like vice grips have that rough finish. It's like chromey plated. It doesn't look, it's got a, I think a speed thing on here. I probably will try it and just jam it down the side of here and try it out. But I really don't want metal chips all over me. So I will make another video of me using it. I just took it out of here because I forgot. It's this, honestly, I wish this little lever right here was on every air tool because that is just so much easier. Like it just, look at that, cha-ching, cha-ching. So with that said, I think these were, I think when I first looked at them, they were 35 bucks. And then they went to 40. They're if you check on Amazon, they're anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks, which is pretty good for the small little tool. I didn't I didn't think they were this small, but when you see them online, you realize they are small. I'm guessing you could use this for wood too. The only thing is it doesn't go down very far, so it doesn't do a very deep chamfer. But I'm guessing maybe, I don't know. So simple air tool with that many components. So this isn't a simple piece of machinery. There's a lot of little pieces in there if you look at that thing. So it's not a, there's some engineering going on. It's not like, I mean, hey, it may be made in China, but honestly they do make some good stuff. And it's got carbide now. I think the hardest part for the average Joe is if you bought one of these and didn't know anything, you wouldn't know if that was a carbide bit, and you probably wouldn't know where the hell to buy it. And like me, I'm just like, where do I get it from? Don't know. And I'm sure I could buy a name brand. This looks like the air hole comes out. I think it moves. Is it supposed to move? I don't know. Check. Oh yeah, the air vent here is adjustable. It rotates, so you can blow the air out the side. You don't want to get it in the face. So anyway, with that said, that's the review for this. I know it's not the review you were expecting. You're expecting me to take this thing and run it through 73 miles of steel and go, yeah, it's shitty, it's great. I don't know. I don't plan on abusing it. I got a few little metal projects I want to use it for. Plus I'm a tool whore, so I like tools. Don't you? So, and I saved my money and I bought it. So, ta-da! I didn't make any. YouTube didn't pay for this. I don't get any sponsors. I'd love sponsors. If I had like 10,000 more viewers, I probably would get a sponsor if I did something exciting that would require 10,000 more. But they're just for fun. So, chamfer on, ladies and gentlemen. Chamfer on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click all the likes and buttons, subscribe and stuff.